In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label your profile as not safe for work or NSFW by marking it as mature content. Before we get started, it's important to understand what this actually means. When you label your profile as NSFW or mature, you're letting the platform and other users know that the content you share may not be appropriate for younger audiences. This is often required if you post adult themes, explicit material, or anything that should reasonably be restricted to viewers who are 18 years or older. Doing this helps keep the community safe and make sure your account follows the platform's guidelines. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the app or website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile. This is usually represented by your profile picture or an icon, often found in the top corner or along a menu bar. Go ahead and click on your profile to open your personal page. From your profile page, the next thing you need to do is access your settings. Look for a button or icon labeled Settings. This might appear as a gear icon or be visible in a drop-down menu connected to your profile. Click on Settings to open the configuration options for your account. Inside the settings menu, you may see several categories. You want to return specifically to the profile section within settings. So find and click on Profile again from within the settings area. This is where you can adjust how your profile is displayed, including its visibility and content labeling. Now, within these profile settings, look for the option that says Mark as Mature or Mark as 18+. This will usually be presented as a toggle, switch, or checkbox. When you find it, toggle it on or enable it. At this point, the platform may show a brief description or warning explaining what marking your profile as mature entails. Take a moment to read it so you know exactly how your content is being labeled. After turning this option on, make sure that any changes are saved. On some platforms, settings save automatically as soon as you toggle the option. On others, you might need to click a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the page. Once that's done, your profile is now labeled as NSFW or mature, and viewers will be appropriately warned before accessing your content.